let's start putting ringtone. So first of all, need to do is to open your Play Store and then type jio, then type jio-music, and the first app you will get, just open it, see carefully this symbol and 4.5 rating. I already installed it, so you have to install it if you don't have. And now open it and you will get this page. If you have GUID you can put it here, but if you don't, then okay, this is ad, just swipe it here. If you don't, then just skip this part as I did. You have to do nothing. And if you want to select your language you can, but I am not interested, so I just skipping this page also. Okay, I got this screen. Now my favorite song I can put on my Jio ringtone, just like I like the song Faded. I searched, I clicked, here it is, Faded, Alan Walker. As you can see, here is this button you can set as geotune. Just click on it and you will get this. If you want to set this song as your geotune, just set it from here. I guess it worked. Just do it again. Yes, it worked. When you will get this message, alert message, it means your geotune is selected. So this is the trick, guys. If you want to use it, you can put your ringtone here. And I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. Have a good day, guys.